हाय, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ उस सवाल के बारे में जो अक्सर कैट से 4 से 5 महीने पहले बहुत सारे एस्पिरेंट्स के जहन में आता है व्हेन दे आर wondering whether they should give this year's CAT a shot or whether they should probably look at next year's CAT, whether 4 to 5 months of preparation will that be sufficient for ensuring that they are somewhere close to their best when they go and appear for the CAT. This is a very natural question given the fact that a lot of CAT aspirants have started their CAT preparation long back. So there are thousands and thousands of CAT aspirants who probably started 5 months earlier or 8 months earlier, and some of them even an entire year before you are planning to begin your CAT preparation. So if that is the case, then this video is for you. It is also a fairly pertinent question in the minds of those जिन्होंने तैयारी तो पहले शुरू कर दी थी लेकिन बहुत सीरियसली नहीं की, तो जिनको अपने कॉलेज के एग्जाम्स के बाद अभी इस वक्त ऐसा लग रहा होता है कि यार I started preparing much earlier but I'm not yet ready, and whether the remaining time period will suffice in terms of giving me the opportunity of having a real good crack at this year's CAT. So the short answer to the question whether 4 to 5 months of CAT preparation can be sufficient or not is yes. But let me break it down. Why? सोचने में 4 से 5 महीने कम लगते हैं, but let me give you 2 ways to think about it which will probably answer this question in a better way. Number 1, आपका एक जो नॉर्मल सेमेस्टर होता है कॉलेज में उसकी ड्यूरेशन क्या होती है? जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. 12 months, 2 semesters, but it's not 6 months per sem, right? Because you have long summer holiday, winter holidays, some breaks around Dussehra, Diwali, etc. So a typical semester is somewhere close to about 4.5 months, which is the duration that you're essentially talking about in terms of CAT preparation this year. So 4.5 months is about 18 weeks. That's one semester. जब आप कॉलेज में एक सेमेस्टर से दूसरे सेमेस्टर जाते हैं, जब सेमेस्टर की शुरुआत होती है, do you feel that the time is less? No. In fact, most of us don't even use the first 3-4 months of a semester really well, and it is only towards the end that we hit our peak intensity and we decide यार अगले सेमेस्टर में ना शुरू से करना है कुछ, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम होता है अगर ढंग से करो. इतने वक्त में इतना कर लिया तो if we start making use of the next semester from the very beginning, rocket. So in your college, when you enter a new semester, that 4.5 months seems a fairly long period. Why should it be any less for CAT preparation? Right? Think more about it. When you go to a new semester, practically everything that you study is new. It might be building upon what you've studied in earlier semesters, but it's not as if you've done the exact same things earlier and you're repeating the same things. That repetition is very less. So you're doing something entirely new. जब कैट की बात आप करते हैं, ऑलमोस्ट कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो आप पहली दफा करेंगे. कहीं ना कहीं आपने अपने पास्ट में 10th स्टैंडर्ड से पहले इन सब चीजों को किया हुआ है. There is a degree of exposure and comfort with the things that you'll need to crack the CAT. So that should be easier than facing a new semester, right? Third thing that you should think about in this respect is कि एक सेमेस्टर में नॉर्मली हमारे पास कितने सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं? 5, 6, 7 maybe. Alright, let's pick up the lowest of these numbers, 5. So in a semester with 4.5 months, you take up 5 new subjects where you've not really done much in the past, which are relatively new, and still you never feel कि बहुत कम वक्त है. CAT में कितने सब्जेक्ट्स हैं? 3. तो you're talking about a similar time duration. You are talking about only 3 subjects, and you are talking about subjects with which you have some degree of familiarity and comfort from your past experience. So there is no reason for you to think कि 4.5 महीने या 4 या 5 महीने किसी भी तरीके से कम हैं, बशर्ते कि आप उनका इस्तेमाल अच्छी तरह से करें. That condition is true whether you're talking about 4 months or 2 years of preparation. If you don't use that time really well, then it doesn't matter. You have that opportunity, but if you don't make use of it, the opportunity by itself will not yield results, right? So this is the first thing for you to keep in mind. The second thing for you to think about it, when in your life or how many times in your life have you really given a go for about 4 to 5 months to your academics? शायद 10th-12th में हम में से तो ज्यादातर लोगों ने तब भी 4 से 5 महीने तो लगातार जम के सब कुछ लगा के तैयारी नहीं की होगी. But let's say those are the 1 or 2 instances when you might have worked as hard. So if you have not really put in that kind of an effort in the past too frequently, when you have rarely put in that kind of an effort in the past into your academics, you would have rarely seen the kind of results it can bring. अगर आप वो चीजें करेंगे जो आपने पहले कभी नहीं किए हैं, बहुत कम दफा किए हैं, तो आपको वही रिजल्ट्स मिलने मुमकिन है जो आपको पहले कभी नहीं मिले या बहुत कम दफा मिले हैं. 4 से 5 महीने का वक्त अगर आप अच्छी तरह से इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अगर आप अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स और वीकनेसेस के हिसाब से उस वक्त का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इफ यू आर एबल टू make very smart allocation of your time into the right areas, which is what we try and do via adaptive prep at MBA Guru. So if you can find a sensible way of doing it, there is nothing that can stop you from being extremely well prepared for this year's CAT. And as a result, you could end up saving an entire year if you're able to crack this year's CAT. It is worth the effort. So rather than worrying about the paucity of time कि वक्त कम है, उसके बारे में आप इस चीज को बदल वैसे भी नहीं सकते हो. अगर आपने कैट की तैयारी पहले शुरू की और अब आपको लग रहा है कि कम वक्त है, या आपने तैयारी पहले शुरू नहीं की और अब आप इस सवाल से जूझ रहे हैं कि वक्त कहीं कम तो नहीं है, दोनों ही केसेस में आप जाके वक्त बढ़ा तो नहीं सकते हैं, लेकिन जो वक्त आपके सामने है, what lies ahead of you, you can change completely how you use it, and that again happens here more than anywhere else. If you are able to ensure that the areas that you are investing your time in are the real areas that will bring you the returns, good return on investment, then it is better than spending twice the amount of time madly just like everyone else is doing. So yes, you do stand a great chance. The only thing for you to keep in mind is that tough things happen only if you believe that you can make them happen. अपने आप से नहीं होती मुश्किल चीजें या चीजें जो वर्थवाइल होती हैं, बट जिनमें आपको एफर्ट डालने की जरूरत है, वो आपको अपने दिमाग में, अपने एटीट्यूड में, you have to bring that belief that yes, it is something that a lot of CAT aspirants do every year and there is no reason why I cannot do it. Once you start believing that and start investing time wisely, 4 to 5 months of preparation time can be more than enough. So rather than worrying about anything, ensure that you start moving towards your goal right away this very day, क्योंकि अब से आगे एक एक क्षण, एक एक पल, एक एक दिन आपके सक्सेस के चांसेस पे बहुत असर डाल सकता है. So just give it your best shot, go with the flow, don't worry. I'm sure you'll come out a winner at the end of it. That's it for now. See you soon in another video. Bye.